What have we got here? We've got a Mario Game Boy Advance SP. And I've bought this from eBay. There it is there. And I paid £31.99 plus £2.94, so about £35. It is faulty. There are two pictures. And all the seller says parts not working. So it came like this. It looks in fairly good condition, to be fair, but there's no green light when I turn it on, and there is no orange charge light when I charge it up with this. So I've taken the battery out. I put the battery into this one, and I used the charging cable provided, and the battery did start charging up. I got an orange light on here, and I got some voltage into the battery. So I put the battery back into here. Still no green light, won't turn on, but I did use a new charging cable, and it did start charging up itself. So we know the battery's charging up, and when I switch this on, I did get an orange charging light, so I know the charging circuit's working. So I left it on charge for a bit, and when I turned it on, still nothing. But I did find out. I'll grab a game. But if I put a game in and I wiggle the switch, it does actually come on. And I get audio. So the sound's working. And the game is actually working, but the switch is a little bit temperamental. There, it's not on. But if I just catch it right, it will come on. So I think there's a problem. Perhaps this isn't making good contact, so the battery isn't charging up. And I think there's a faulty switch. So I've actually gotten that quite cheap. Well, £35. So I'm hoping it's just a dirty switch, and I can get this working back to 100%. I know the buttons are working because I've had this on, and I know that all the buttons are working. I'm just going to open it up and see if we can clean that switch out. Just to note, the water sticker is not contaminated. There's one just there. I always miss that one. Oh, there's another one there I've missed, man. So those two are the same. Right, what we got? The inside water sticker is okay. So I'm hoping just a little bit of IPA in there will solve that. Brilliant. Yeah. So a bit of IPA. Oh, it came on. Well, it came on straight away. We'll turn it off. Try again. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Is that 4? Should we go for a 5th time? Brilliant. I would say 5 attempts, all working. And I think that's a go. I think that's a win. There's a little bit of crud around there. Maybe I'll open it up and give it a bit of a clean. I'm just going to go around the edges, around the seam there, and clean up the muck. I've cleaned up all the way around the outside, and I've took those shoulder buttons off and this power switch off, or the slidey part, just to clean it up. That's gone back together on there, and I'm not really fussed if I can get this working. It's probably just worn, but if I put a dab of IPA in there, and give it a bit of a see, this new one fits much better, so it's possibly just worn down in just the right spot, so it doesn't give a good connection. Where's my battery? This is the one that came with it. Let's see if that'll charge up. No. Of course, the battery could be fully charged. I'll swap it over with the new one. And that does charge. So that orange light is on. And the one that came with it, which is this one, doesn't charge. But it charged on this one. So what I think I'll do is, I think I'll just throw it out. Because I've got, well, these are quite cheap. I've got a few of them. So before I put it back together, I will test it to make sure it comes on. First time. Brilliant. So we'll pop them screws back in and we'll test a couple of games. These little ones went in there. That's just a little bit too big, and that one's a little bit too small. I don't know if I've got another one. Do have another one. It's actually a better fit. Super. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the original battery. I marked it with a cross. Oh, I haven't gone around the... Look at the muck. Right. So there we go. That, for £35, is a fairly good buy. So we know Mario brand works. Yep, that's playing okay. We'll grab Tetris. I haven't got a copy of Tetris, have I? I think I sold it. We'll try this one. Super Mario Land. What's this one? Wario Land. and that's working fine as well. Left and right triggers are working. Start button. Yeah, left, right, up. I cannot see. So that's working fine. Just hard to catch a picture. I'll turn it down. Brilliant. So, what a good buy. So, combination of problems there, I think. There was a faulty charging cable, not that one, and a little bit of perhaps dust in the on-off switch, which has just been cleaned out. And that is a working Mario Game Boy Advance SP to go with my working Kyogre SP. This is an original one. I do have the battery cover to go with it. So they can stay in my collection. And I hope you've enjoyed that. Bit of a simple one. Bit of a lucky buy, I think, with this one. I'll hang on to it, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.